I'm sure you're flooded with lot of videos on back to school ideas, back to school recipes, and you must also have started thinking, ideating on what to pack for your child's school. I would insist to check on how to pack for your child's school, because you may be cooking world's healthiest food, but how you pack matters. There are 5 things that I would request you to keep in mind. At first, use eco-friendly lunchwares, be it bottles or dabbas. Please don't fall for the gimmick of that colorful plastic dabbas or something which is steel and has that colorful covering. Plain steel dabbas are safe and nice, because the rubber that is there on the dabba's lid or on bottle's cap can bring in a lot of difficulty in cleaning and hence even into the food. Next thing is do not use aluminum foil or plastic wraps. It is definitely not safe, especially while you're packing hot food into it. The chemicals can leach into your child's food. Cool any food and then pack. It is safe, right? That's what our parents used to do. They would spread the pulao on the plate and spread the rotis in a way that they get cool and then pack it. That is the safest way to avoid excess bacterial growth. Then is, do not fall for these processed food and frozen food, especially those probiotic pouches. Please don't send it to your child's dabba at any cost, because of the temperature that you kept it in at home and the way you are sending it to box can cause a lot of health issues in your child. And at last, every child is sent fruit in snack or lunch, but offer it in a full form, full fruit. Your child who can go to school can also open bananas, chilka and eat it, a santra or orange and eat it. So it's absolutely fine. Send them that way. Otherwise, they will get oxidized when you cut them. So I really hope you like these 5 tips. Please consider sharing this video.